I'll be showing you the top product XML apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we've taken a look at the pricing, reviews, and features so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. First up, we have a Shopify app called Feedio Product XML Feeds. It makes it super easy to create product feeds for shopping catalogs or create custom CSV, TXT, JSON, and XML feeds. It's going to make it easy to select which feed type we're creating. We can get a list of all of our existing feeds, and it's going to have powerful integrations, making it super easy. It also has UTM tracking, so we can get better attribution, and it makes it easy to map the categories. It also has features such as bulk editing, conversion tracking, error validation, and more. In terms of pricing, it's going to start with a completely free plan, where you can create them for up to 30 products and 100 variants. Paid plans start at $9.99 a month. And the pricing is going to depend on the integrations, the products, variants, and how many feeds you're looking to create. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 66 5-star reviews, with the latest review here saying that it's an absolutely excellent app and it has even better support. This merchant tried a lot of different apps and had a very specific requirement. Not only was this app very useful to use it, but their support went above and beyond to assist them. Next up, we have Product XML Import by Proxi. It makes it super easy to use XML, save time, sync stock, keep inventory fresh and updated. It has real-time import tracking with multiple variant images and XML import options. You can preview products before bulk uploading, and they have a strong support team to help ensure seamless bulk product imports. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $3.99 a month and go up to $14.99 depending on the frequency of sync and how many products you're looking to import. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 14 5-star reviews. And this latest review here says that the merchant has been using this and it's been incredibly helpful, and the support team went above and beyond to accommodate their specific needs. Lastly, we have Skroutz XML Feed. It's going to let you create your feeds automatically. You just have to copy the link and insert it into your merchant account. Then you can edit your delivery options to provide the right information. You can provide update statuses, real-time monitoring, and a product count. And it's going to update automatically or with the easy one-click update function. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan, and the premium version starts at $5 a month. On the free plan, you get real-time monitoring and is going to update automatically every 2 hours or one-click updates. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 12 5-star reviews, and the latest review here says this app just made life so much easier when it comes to creating feed XML. It's easy to use, and if you have any problems, the customer support is simply amazing. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. You have your cost of goods sold, your transaction fees, your ad spend, your chargeback, and your taxes. It's a lot of things to keep track of, and that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. In one setup, all you have to do is select the date range you want to see calculations for, and you're going to get real-time calculations all displayed in an easy-to-understand dashboard. You're going to see all your ad spend from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It's going to integrate with quite a few cost of goods sold options, and it's going to allow you to make smarter business decisions as you have a true understanding of your store's performance. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. I'll also leave a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. So make sure you check that out so you can start truly understanding your store's financial performance. This is going to conclude the video here on the top product XML apps available for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.